coming to you guys with a review. I know it's been a while. It's been really crazy, a lot of stuff going on, and I apologize for the way I look. I don't have any makeup on or nothing like that. Like, please excuse me. But I just wanted to come to you guys to show kind of like a preview of this wig that I just received today. I was contacted by JC Hair Factory, that is an AliExpress vendor, and they did inquire and wanted me to review some hair. I did choose a texture hair that I have never reviewed before, so this is really going to be really cool for me. I've never reviewed kinky straight hair. I've been trying to get my hands on some, actually purchasing it with my own money, but this opportunity came and I jumped on it. They actually said, they wanted weft hair at first, but I asked if I could review a wig just because it's simpler, quicker, and I don't have to deal with sewing in anything. So I did receive the unit today, and as you saw before, I did unbox it. So here is the unit. It's a natural brown kinky straight wig. It is a lace front wig, so it's not laced throughout. It does have wefts on it on the inside. It has ear to ear lace though, and it does have a comb at the base of the front, 2 on the ears and 1 in the back, and it does have adjustable straps as well. So this is like a great wig. Sometimes working with wigs without combs or straps is really difficult, but this one has it all. So this is a great unit. It's constructed very well. There's not huge gaps in between the wefts. They're really nice. No shedding so far. Of course, I'm just running my fingers through it, but it is like I said, JC Hair Factory, and it is Peruvian hair. And it is a 20-inch natural black kinky straight unit. Now, it does say natural black, however, it is light brown. It's kind of like a number 2. Not quite a 4, but it's definitely not a 1B or a 1. But it's beautiful to me. The hairline looks like it's pretty thinned out already, which is actually good. It's not super thick. Please excuse my fingernails, ladies. But yeah, it doesn't look like it's too thick, and it'll be easy to work with. Now, I'm not going to bleach the knots or anything. I'm going to use this for my birthday dinner, which is tomorrow, and my actual birthday is on the 20th. I will be the big 3-0. I will be turning 30, you guys. I know, can't believe it. But yeah, I wanted to show you the wig and talk about it before I actually styled it. I love this texture. But of course, I'm pretty sure this hair has been processed. I don't believe it comes off anyone's head looking like this. They do some kind of processing to it to get it kinky straight, but the hair does not have a horrible smell at all. Like, it's no harsh chemical smell. It smells very clean, like it didn't even go through the shipping process, like it wasn't wet or anything. It smells great. It doesn't smell like shampoo, of course. It smells like hair, but it's not like that strong chemical process smell that can hit you in the face right when you take it out the bag. So really nice. And like I said, it's 20 inches. I am 5'9", so I'm pretty tall. So it comes down to about underneath my chest. So yeah, this is how it looks. The texture is great. I can't wait to see if it flat irons straight, or if it takes heat well. It looks like it would, but of course we always have to test it. It does have a lot of flow, so yeah, let's get to it. I'll probably have on different clothes or makeup when I come back, but yeah, just wanted to come to you guys and show this beforehand. So stay tuned if you want to see how I style this unit for my birthday. That you saw that was recorded on a different day. That day was my birthday, as you guys heard. So I am back It is the day after my birthday dinner, but I am going to share some pictures with you guys that shows the style that I wore for my birthday dinner yesterday. Yes, it was with this hair right here. It is from JC Hair Factory, AliExpress.com. So I'm going to insert some pictures right now from my birthday dinner yesterday wearing this hair. So yeah, that's how I wore it. I got the inspiration from a wig that Fabulosity Me wore. I can never say her name, but I saw a picture on her Instagram account. It was from like a wig she wore from another person that made a wig for her, but it was like a half up, half down style, and it was so pretty. Hers was with like curly hair, but I decided to do that something similar with this hair right here. So this is the unit that you guys saw in the previous clips. This hair is amazing, you guys. Like I said, this was my first time experiencing kinky straight hair. I have been dying to get my hands on some kinky straight hair, and I finally got it. JC Hair Factory did reach out to me, and I used that opportunity to review not just kinky straight hair, but the wig, actually a wig instead of wefted hair. So I think this hair is beautiful. When I wore it yesterday, I did use a curling wand to get the style, and I did use some holding spray to hold the curls. Now I will say with the curling wand, the curls dropped within about 2-3 hours, especially with me going outside in the humid weather in Florida. It's very humid here, so the curls did drop. So that's one thing I could say about this hair. If you wand it, it doesn't last long, but I think if you curl it like this, like with a flat iron, then the curls seem to stay a lot longer. I mean, this hair is amazing. It curls amazing. I did pass the flat iron through the hair one time before actually curling it with my curling flat iron, but yes, these are flat ironed curls. The hairline on this wig was amazing, but I felt like I had not enough forehead to wear all that lace. Like, I cut the lace off, but it was still a lot of lace that had the baby hairs already on it. It was pre-plucked, it was beautiful, but my forehead isn't big enough to have worn like the lace all the way down here with the baby hair. So I had to cut a lot of the lace off that had the baby hair, and I really didn't feel like plucking this hairline, just pluck. I don't feel like it needed to be like perfect, because I won't be really wearing this hair in a ponytail. Like, I may wear it half up, half down, but if I do, I'll pull out some of my own hair to cover the lace and for it to look more realistic when I wear it half up, half down. That's actually what I did yesterday for my birthday. That hair in the front, that was my hair. I just left it out and grabbed it along with the weave hair, put it in a ponytail, and curled it. That was it. And it worked out perfectly. It looked way more natural than me trying to lay the lace down, lay the baby hair down perfect. I didn't have time for all that, so I just pulled out my own hair. And I think that's what I would do. I don't feel wearing it down like this. The hairline needs to be perfect. Now, the cap size is really nice. It is very comfortable. This cap is very, very comfortable. I did add an elastic band in the back because I don't want to mess up this wig's hairline or lace with glue. Gots to be glue and Ghost Bond are the two glues that I've used, well, gel and glue, but they can really cake up a wig, and you going in trying to scrub all that glue out and stuff, it's going to rip the lace. So I was like, I don't have time for that. I don't want to ruin this wig because it's really, really nice. So I'm going to use the tension method. I think a lot of girls have really forgotten about the tension method and how awesome it can be without giving you headaches. If you find the right elastic, something soft and thick, to use as an elastic band, it would be it's much easier for me, and it doesn't like flake up. I don't have to worry about sticky goo all over my forehead and it mixing with makeup and all that stuff. I don't have to worry about that. Tension method works out perfectly fine, so that's what I did. This cap size is medium to large. It's not small, so if you have a larger size head, just make the elastic straps, you know, the hooks as wide as possible. If you have a small head, make it small. It won't make the wig like super bunchy in the back. That's what I love about it. It's not super bunched up. And these are just light curls. I didn't really curl it a whole lot. I didn't curl it really, really hard. But as you can see, the hair still has a lot of its texture, like original texture. Because I didn't really flat iron all the texture out. I wanted you to still be able to see that it's like, has that kinky look. But this hair is amazing. It is so soft. It's flowy. The only thing I've added to this hair for moisture was pure coconut oil. I just scooped some, rub it in my hand, not too much. Didn't want to make it too heavy or greasy. But I put it through the hair before I passed the flat iron through it and curled it. And it's just like light as a feather. It is like, I don't know what they did to this hair to make it kinky and flowy like this, but they did a fantastic job. Like, not perfect curls, just kind of like tousled curls. One pass with the flat iron, and it's beautiful. I love it. And all the curls go back. I made all of them go back in one kind of uniform pattern. Usually I don't, but I felt like I needed to do that with this hair. I just wanted to see how it looked. But yeah, if you guys want to see how it curls, I want to take a piece. And it still has that nice texture to it. Yeah, but I just curled it back. Just with one slow pass of the flat iron. And if you see smoke, it's probably from my flat iron. It just needs to be cleaned a little bit. But it's not from the hair. It's not burning the hair. And so, yeah, like a light curl. And then I let it sit for a little bit, just for a second. And then I just combed it out. And I just let it fall in place. It's beautiful. Like, this can be a great everyday wig if you don't mind wearing long hair every day. It's very light. Like, it's very, very light. It has nice parting space. Of course, the biggest parting space would be in the middle of your head. So from here to here is the longest point, and then it gets smaller as you go towards your ears as far as parting space. So of course you can't get this size part over here. It gets smaller because it is a lace front. But I 100% would recommend this hair. It is gorgeous. I think any kinky straight hair lover would love it, and I think any person that likes body wave hair would love it. It just has a little bit slightly coarser texture to it, and it looks more realistic. Like, it's not so silky straight. If you like silky straight hair, I wouldn't get it because it's not silky, but it's the perfect amount of sheen. It's not dry, it's not crunchy, it feels moisturized. I love it. Like 10 stars, 2 thumbs up to JC Hair Factory. Thank you so much for allowing me to review this unit, and I really do suggest you guys check it out. It's affordable. It's not nearly as much as these wigs you guys be seeing on YouTube, you know, $600-700 or more. Definitely not that much, so check them out. I will leave a link below. That's all I can say about this wig. It is amazing. I love it. I will definitely be purchasing kinky straight hair from this vendor as, you know, bundles, wigs. I love it, and I really feel like this unit will last a long time. Like I said, it's constructed well. Oh yeah, let me show you. It's 20 inches, so it goes a little below my chest, and I'm 5'9", so 20 inches, that's pretty long to me. So the length is definitely accurate. It's not super short. It's perfect. It's like perfect everyday hair. I love it. I left a little bit of my edges out. This is not the baby hair from the wig. This is mine. So, you know, if the wind blow. But I didn't have all that perfect hairline. I didn't feel the need for that. I don't know if I'm going to pluck the part. I didn't pluck the part, and I didn't make it perfect just for the sake of time. I did have to flatten this top out with some water. Spray bottle water, brushed it out, let it dry, and then passed it with a flat iron because it was puffy. Because it is kinky straight hair, you do have to lay it down. But that's with any wig, and I feel like the density is really nice. It's not too big, it's not too thin, it's not thin at all. Even in the back, like it's perfect. It's perfect. I'm really feeling this wig, and I hope you guys check it out because I really, really, really like this hair. I really, really like it. I cannot wait to just go out and wear it every day because I'm definitely going to wear this every day. So yeah, I'm feeling it. Definitely feeling it. So you guys check out the link below. And like I said, it's from JC Hair Factory. So that's it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Definitely check them out and stay tuned for more reviews. Thanks for checking out my video. Bye.